everybody. In this video I am going to show you how to export your bilingual document for bilingual review. Many of you have contacted me to let me know that in your version of SDL Trados Studio, either 2014 or 2015, you don't have the option of packaging or creating a project package. And of course, the way we would do this would be in our projects view. If we wanted to say package this project here called Practice 3, we would just use this button to create a project package. This feature would pack up your SDL XLIF file along with your translation memory, along with your term base, and put that in a zipped folder and allow you to send that to somebody. Now, not everybody has this feature active in their version of SDL Trados Studio. So if you do not have this feature active, I have a workaround for you to use. So what you would do in order to use this workaround is you would go back to the editor window with this with this project open. You can see I have a project here. I have translated an article about a judo champion, and in this project I have confirmed all of my segments. I have up here a translation memory that has been updated due to the translation, and I also have a term base open. I have term base viewer open over here, so you can see that I have several terms in my bilingual glossary. Okay, so what I would like you to do in order to get around this problem that we have encountered, and that is some people not being able to use the create a project package feature, is I want you to go to this review ribbon here, and I want you to use this button where it says export for bilingual review. And when you click on that button, it's going to take your by text, that is your source text and your target text, and it's going to export it as a Microsoft Word file. So let's see how that works. We just follow the wizard as usual. The task sequence is export for bilingual review. We click next, and the only thing to think about is, where am I going to save this file? That's why they give you the location option. And you can see that the default here is SDL 2015 projects. Practice 3 is the project name, and external review is a new folder that Trados has created for me. So I'm going to keep that folder. I'm going to keep that default path for saving the file. I just want you to remember to look at this area and to remember where your file is going to be saved. And I have a layout type option here, either side by side or top down, which means top down meaning the for each segment the source would appear right above the target, and it would be positioned that way, as opposed to two columns with the source on the left and the target on the right. I'll stay with the default. You can select either option, or you can select both. And maybe you want to just look at how they look and play around with this feature a little bit once you learn how to use it. And then you click Finish, and it tells you that it's completed. So all we have to do is close that wizard, and it asks us, would you like to open the folder containing your exported documents? And we say yes. Okay, so here's our folder, and all we have to do is click on it, the little folder that's in that folder, and check out our document. So it says document review, and then there's another docx extension. So let's just look at how that appears in the Word file. Here it is. So it is a bilingual document. You have maintained a lot of information from the Trados Studio environment. You have the segment ID here on your left. You have the segment status as well. You have the source segment and you have the target segment. So if you were to, if you wanted to send your translation or even your working translation to somebody for review, this is an option you have. It makes it very easy because it's simply a Word file, and of course Word files are very easy to send. And the friend or reviewer, the person you're working with who has asked to look at your document, could simply use the review features, the review ribbon in Word, either to put in new comments or to use track changes. So it's very simple. And we have a nicely laid out and a very neat document. Okay, so what do I want you to do with that document? Well, for this assignment, the assignment in which I asked you to create a project package, I want you to take this Word document. I want you to take your translation memory that you are using for this specific project, and I want you to take the bilingual glossary that you have created for this specific project. Remember, the bilingual glossary is simply a TBX file. It's going to have the same file extension as a term base. So we'll just say I want your bilingual review file, your translation memory, and your bilingual glossary file in one folder, and then just zip up that folder and send it to me that way. Okay, so this is a video in which I showed you how to create a workaround, how to create a different kind of project package that you can send me if your version of SDL Trados Studio does not have the project package feature. Okay, thank you very much.